We're back with the biggest challenge yet.
We're behind the scenes.
On the flip-off.
You watched me and my ex-wife flip houses together on TV for 10 years, and then unfortunately our entire fan base divided. Half loved Christina and half kind of liked me. I would have said it would be impossible to see Christina and myself on camera together again, but somehow we are competing against each other in the flip-off to find out who is the #1 flipper in the world.
Whoever makes the most profit wins.
Ex-wife, ex-husband back on TV together with the new wife. This is like what everyone's been wanting to see. Yeah, today I am glammed up. We are shooting something really fun called the Flip Off. This is the promo shoot, and we're gonna kick some butt. Tarek usually wears all black anyway, so this is not far off from what he would wear on a normal day. But yeah, we're doing like a leather vibe and then a black bodysuit underneath. We're like the bad couple in a good way. We're tough. We're hard to beat, so we're bringing in all the black.
You may think he's the flipping master, and if you Google flipping, his name comes up.
Why don't you go ahead and ask ChatGPT who are the world's most famous house flippers?
I'll just ask Google, how about that? Who is the #1 house flipper in the world? Oh, here we go. A notable figure is Tarek and Moussa from Flip or Flop.
There we go.
After this, I'm gonna have to take over the hashtag winning. Okay, I'm ready. Yay.
All right, are we ready?
We'll start with like 10-page lineup, you know, everything. And then we'll go into your entrance. Coming around the corner, Tarek will be coming from the other side of the stage for the T spot of you guys entering.
All of us are highly competitive. No one wants to lose. Like, this is the competition of competition shows on HGTV.
Awesome, guys. That's a cut. Great job. Awesome.
See you guys at the flip. Boom.
Hi, I'm Cam. I am the field producer for Tarek and Heather's team. We're here in Long Beach, California. Tarek and Heather are super pumped. They are really doing their best, really trying to make sure they can win and beat Christina in the flip-off. This is the biggest flip of their lives. They have all agreed to do this competition room by room. So now we have a finished kitchen, but we have a lot of other unfinished spaces to go through.
And this is a real BTS moment right now. You guys are watching behind the scenes of the flip-off. Very first competition, so this is gonna be the first time ever you get to see us beat Christina, so I hope you enjoy.
Good morning, everybody. This is Andrea with Avenue A Interiors, and we're here helping Tarek and Heather Moussa stage their home in Long Beach. And today we're working on the living room, the kitchen, and the nook, and it's gonna look amazing.
So we just got finished with the kitchen, the bar.
We did amazing work in here. We gotta take you for a tour. I wanna show you guys my favorite part about this kitchen. It's a 2-for-1 dining table, kitchen island. It's super functional.
Yep.
It maximizes space. So for me, this was a home run. Structural wise, we removed a wall right here, and this used to be a hallway. We eliminated the hallway, we added 2 new hallways, and now we have this wine storage area.
You have this gorgeous bar, which you don't normally find in a house this size. We have the under cabinet lighting, the really pretty brass hardware to hold the glasses. All of our cabinetry is custom and soft close.
Heather wanted different pops of different colors in different spaces. So if you look, you have the white oak on this side, you have the white oak on this side, but in the middle of the kitchen, you have the dark walnut surrounding the fridge and then the table. That way you have a light, dark, light contrast.
There's a lot of little special things in this house. Touchless faucet, bam. Woo!
Real wood cabinets, we have real wood flooring, we have custom islands, built-in benches, pantries. We got all of this in under 2,000 square feet.
A mom's dream is having a walk-in pantry. So in a lot of smaller houses or older homes, you don't get that. We closed off a door that was here and we created a pantry. So you could be like entertaining in here, you could be cooking, getting drinks ready, bringing out the drinks to your guests.
Yeah, we're actually really proud of this house because it's not a normal flip. This is the most important flip of our life because of course we're flipping against Christina, as you know, my ex-wife.
I'm Kylie Wing, and I've been helping Christina on her Coast show for the last 1.5 years. And so when she called me and said that she had this disgusting flip in Carson, I had to see it for myself. As you can see, the kitchen is incredible. And if you had seen what it looked like before, you would never believe that this was achievable in this space.
Welcome to reveal day for my beautiful kitchen. This has come a very long way. This kitchen used to be tiny in the front of the house. It was very messy. There's raccoons living in it, very trashy, literally. So as you can see, there's a big difference. We decided to switch it up and move the kitchen over here. That way we could expand it. We added this beautiful slider, so you get a lot of natural light. My team and I did an excellent job saving money with these beautiful prefab cabinets that you would never know are prefab because they're so fancy, but they're still affordable. This porcelain counter is stunning. I've always wanted to use this in a client's house. We have these amazing black appliances. I love the gold hardware. I love the fact that not only is this kitchen beautiful, but it's super functional. There's a ton of storage. We did an elevated look with our furniture, went a little bit fancy, these beautiful velvet chairs. Because we flipped the kitchen from the front of the house, we were able to create not only this large wraparound kitchen, but also this island. And I feel like we're probably gonna be the only comp in the area that has an island due to the amount of square feet that you're working with. We have the bar seating, plus the table, so it's a perfect family home. So I think the buyers are just gonna love it. So Heather Dubrow is on her way over. She is gonna be the one judging the kitchen.
Heather Dubrow is here. She just pulled up right now.
So I feel like my advantage here is that I'm like calm, cool, collected. Tarek and Heather are not used to being judged, and it's really hot today, and when Tarek gets hot, he freaks out. So I guarantee that they're nervous and that Tarek is currently sticking his whole head in the freezer.
It's so hot in here. The anxiety, sweating.
Okay, action on Christina.
All right. Well, welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Quite the sight. Okay.
So take me around.
My goal here was to remember that it's a flip. Well, you saw the before photos. Yeah. As you know, the kitchen was tiny, it was filthy. So I think just the overall transformation of the before and after, and it was a 1, it's probably a 10 based on the space.
Fantastic.
I'm looking forward to later. It's gonna be interesting.
It's gonna be great.
Rio, field producer. Here we are in Carson, California. We are at Christina's Flip House. Heather Dubrow, the judge, was just here and did a little walkthrough. She's pretty tight-lipped on the competition, so we don't really know what she's thinking. Christina put a lot into this, and she's really confident about the work she's done in the kitchen. So we'll see.
Can we please start rolling?
Actually, you know what? You guys got to flip off right now, okay?
I just got done doing the judging and the walkthrough with Heather. She definitely had a poker face, but I can say that she said nothing negative, and I could see in her eyes that she liked it. So I think I have a really good shot.
Judgment day, and we're gonna win.
Heather. How now? So you're gonna
Easy.
She's walking up right now.
Look at this hideous thing, and look at this transformation. Look what we did.
But we wanted to maximize space, so we figured if we built the table into the island, we kind of killed 2 birds with 1 stone.
Yeah.
And honestly, I love how it looks.
I think it's great. You spent like a third of your budget just on this?
Well, we removed the walls, we raised the floor over there.
Oh, listen, I get it. It looks great. I'm just asking because you got an all over budget. You got to stay within.
All right, so the very first judge for the flip-off just left the house, and the first judgment was based on the kitchen and the dining area. We thought we'd have an advantage by picking a judge that we were close to, and it turns out she doesn't care. She's gonna pick who she thinks won, so I'm pretty nervous. Stay tuned.
Gosh, she was tough. So we love Heather, we're friends with Heather. We thought picking her would be like a shoo-in, like, oh, she's our friend, she's gonna pick us, but she is a tough judge. Listen, Christina's a designer. She's a really good designer. I've seen a lot of the stuff she's done, but come on. Hello, do you think she thought of every single thing and all the details that we thought of? I don't think so. Going down, Christina.
Here we go, moment of truth. We're headed over to the judging, and I can't wait to find out who the winner is. Really hope it's me.
It is officially judgment day. I might be freaking out just a little bit. And Heather, she's definitely freaking out because in a few minutes, we're gonna find out who either won or lost the very first room challenge. So I'm just hoping that her very, very, very dear friend, Heather Dubrow, made the right choice. So we're gonna find out soon.
let's get our cameras in there and just start rolling.
Tarek, do you need a moment?
I need many moments.
I know you're like, I honestly have anxiety from sitting next to you.
I have had an absolute ball with Heather and Tarek and Christina. And oh my gosh, this show, can I just tell you something, is everything and it has everything. You're gonna laugh, you're gonna cry. Okay, so there were 5 categories to judge in. These were not categories picked by moi. These were your categories. I'm just reminding you. And I'm gonna tell you who scored in each category. Overall design, Christina. Use of space, Heather and Tarek. Transformation, Christina. Quality of work, Heather and Tarek. So it really came down to added value. I handled that well.
No.
Will we still be friends if you don't win?
Of course.
Oh my God.
Tarek?
Honey!
Ouch!
All right, shall we do this? This was the greatest time ever. Don't forget to watch the flip off only on HGTV.